Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn the speedboat method for risk management in Agile. Here is our speedboat picture. The island is the goal. The wind pushes us forward. Anchors are current problems slowing us down. Rocks are future risks we might hit. Step A. Identify the risks. We write down everything that could go wrong. Current problems go on the anchors, and future problems go on the rocks. Step B. Measure the depth. We decide how serious each risk is. A deep anchor means the problem is very serious, and a shallow anchor means it is small. Step C. Prioritize. We focus on risks that have the highest score. Risk score equals probability times impact. Next, we turn risks into actions. We can avoid a rock by steering away. We can mitigate by adding a buffer, or we can transfer the risk to another team. Here is a summary table connecting each boat part to its agile meaning. Using the speedboat makes risks easy to see, just like reading a map of the ocean.